In this video, you will learn how to freeze a video frame using CapCut. Freezing a frame means that you can pause the action of your video at a specific moment. This is useful if you want to highlight something important or create a cool effect in your project. To get started, open up the CapCut app on your device. Ensure that you have already imported the clip you wish to edit. If you haven't done this yet, simply tap on New Project and select your desired video from your gallery. Once inside your project, locate and tap on the clip that you want to work with. This will allow you to access all editing options available for that specific video clip. Now it's time to scroll through the video until you reach the exact moment you'd like to freeze. Use your finger to slide along the timeline. Once you've found your desired frame, swipe left on the options located at the bottom until you see an option labeled Freeze. Tap on Freeze to apply this effect. Instantly, you'll notice that CapCut has created a still image from that specific frame in your video. The next step is crucial, deciding how long you want this freeze frame to last. You can easily adjust its duration by dragging either side of the frozen clip along the timeline. Extend it for longer pauses or shorten it for quick highlights. It's all about what fits best with your video's pacing. After adjusting, make sure to preview your edits by pressing play. This way, you can see how well the freeze frame integrates with surrounding footage and ensure it captures exactly what you're aiming for. And there you have it. Freezing a frame in CapCut is as easy as that. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.